Under the blazing desert sun, Blue Parrot wipes his sweat and groans. This heat is crazy. I need something cold. He smirks, pulls out a glowing magic seed, and whispers, "Time for a little magic." The moment he plants it and pours icy water, boom! A stunning cold drink tree shoots up from the sand. Cola, juice, and soda bottles pop out like fruits, shining everywhere, and Blue Parrot gasps, "No way! This is epic!" He quickly loads the drinks into a tiny truck, sits in the shade, takes a big sip, and smiles. Best summer ever! Then he looks at the camera, a little sad. But no likes, no subscribe, and finally winks. Hit like and subscribe for more magic.
Sorry, but the